New report from Fox News details the extent of New York's unused hospital beds and ventilators while laying out wide-ranging mismanagement and waste. And as we told you, a New York State directive puts still contagious coronavirus patients into nursing homes. Thankfully, finally, New York is abandoning the stupidity and some of the dumb, awful parts of that policy on top of putting COVID-19 patients in nursing homes when they had a hospital ship converted for COVID patients, 3,000-bed hospital manned by somebody else, waiting to help them that they barely used. 182 patients. That's all that ever went on board the Navy hospital ship Comfort. Javits Center was never halfway full. New York's Health Commissioner Howard Zucker continues to come under fire. New York Post editorial board dubbing him Dr. Death. Here with reaction, former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani. They didn't buy the ventilators in the city. They didn't buy them in the state that their own health commissions said they would need peak week. They didn't buy them. It's after 9/11. They literally were telling us March 2nd, de Blasio saying, go out on the town. March 10th, it's safe. Yes, it's okay. March 2nd, Governor Cuomo, we're arrogant New Yorkers, and it's not going to happen in New York, and we're prepared. They weren't prepared. Donald Trump saved their backsides. All that said, then they put the order to send the sickest people into nursing homes screaming, we can't care for these people, when they had the beds Donald Trump built and manned for them. Mr. Mayor, I don't know what to say about this. 25% of the elderly population represents the deaths here.
Well, Sean, this would be an example of the left hand not knowing what the right hand is doing. The mayor and the governor, as far as I could tell, met for the first time about 2 days ago. Well, that's just horrible, because the only way you can manage something like this is as a unit. From the moment 9/11 happened, in fact, from the moment that I escaped from the place that we were trapped, I called the governor, and Governor Pataki and I were partners for the next 3 months. We had our staff meetings together. We made our decisions together. This whole idea that their bodies, a couple of dozen bodies were discovered, outside of a funeral home, rotting for 2 or 3 weeks. One of the first things we anticipated were the number of body bags and funeral directors we would need, and then we found out we wouldn't need many because, unfortunately, the bodies disintegrated. So then we immediately began a DNA situation. But we had prepared for this. We had had at least 8 or 10 drills over the last 6, 7 years to prepare for tragedies and for crises and for anthrax and for sarin gas. I would wonder how many such preparations de Blasio did in his time as mayor.